Good morning, everybody. It's a beautiful fall day in Burlington. We're here at Illumina. I want to show you the exterior of our building, the facade. We try to make it look as interesting as we can with this metal cladding. Take a look. I'm sure you're going to love it. Remember our favorite unit? Take a look at the progress. The front doors are here. The closets are installed. Bathrooms are almost finished. Kitchen cabinets with the sink and the countertops are installed. Lighting's also installed. And lastly, the railings. What a view.